Casting flasks can be ill-fitting and expensive, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom flasks. So if you follow my instructions, you should come out with something looking like this. So for today's project, you'll be needing this 1" by 4" common board, cut to your size, and 24 screws longer than 1" but no longer. Go ahead and line up your boards so that no side is sticking out more than the other. Next up, you'll want to grab some wood glue and stick your two pieces of common board together so that you can have an accurate screw. Once you've done that, you want to drill 2 holes in your wood so that you don't split the wood, and then drill your screws in. Do that to all 4 sides and you should have something looking like this. I picked up some trim at Home Depot. This will act as a rib for a green sand so that it doesn't fall the way through. So go ahead and mark and cut your trim to fit inside of your boxes. Then glue them into the box and you should be good to go. Now it's time to make your alignment boards for your 2 flasks. I took the excess from my common board and cut it up into even strips. Go ahead and drill holes into that and then add alignment dowels to align your flasks. Once you've done that, you should have 2 casting boxes ready to go.